pigmentation!
Some important parts of a chloroplast you should be familiar with are the thylakoid, stroma, and lumen. The thylakoids are these. Each of those are disc-shaped structures that are from the folding of the photosynthetic membrane inside the chloroplast. The stroma is this part. It is the space outside of the thylakoid. The lumen, which is inside of each of these thylakoids, is the space inside of one. Bacteria do not contain chloroplasts. Instead, the thylakoids are formed by extensive inward foldings of the plasma membrane.
Photophosphorylation depends on light-absorbing photopigments to capture photons. The primary pigment is chlorophyll, which consists of hydrocarbon component linked to a chromophore that absorbs photons. The chromophore is a flat ring structure with a central magnesium ion. Most cyanobacteria produce only chlorophyll A, but the chloroplasts of most eukaryotic algae in plants produce both chlorophyll A and a different version, chlorophyll B. The difference between the two of them allows for different wavelengths of light to be absorbed. Chlorophyll A absorbs a blue, violet, and far red light. Far red can be understood as more infrared light. Chlorophyll B absorbs blue and near red light.
In cyanobacteria, the green and yellow regions are more efficient in projecting color, hence the reasons we see green when we look at them. Bacterial chlorophylls are produced by anaerobic photosynthetic bacteria. These guys absorb more ultraviolet and infrared light compared to cyanobacteria. They are most commonly seen in aquatic sediments in deep waters where oxygen is more scarce. They fill out a different niche, as in they accept wavelengths of light that are not absorbed by cyanobacteria and chloroplasts.
Accessory pigments help absorb light over a broader range of wavelengths than the ones captured by the primary chlorophylls. Accessory pigments consist of carotenoids, which are found in cyanobacteria and photosynthetic eukaryoprotists, phycoerythrin, which absorbs a more greenish-yellow light, and phycocyanin, which absorbs a more orange-red light.
This system helps prevent the production of photopigments that aren't useful to the specific organism that is producing them. Work smarter, not harder. Microorganisms that rely on bacterial chlorophyll and accessory pigments can normally be seen as red, brown, or purple depending on the photopigments they produce.
So hopefully you have a better understanding of photopigmentation. We did our best at explaining it, so if you have any questions, please let us know. That's a wrap!